In front of me is Realme X50 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. At first you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now select additional settings. Click on date and time, and now you can either use automatic network provided time or you can turn it off and select time zone, and also date and time manually by yourself. So as you can see, from now on, once it's switched off, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also change the format of your clock, so you can switch 24-hour format clock to 12-hour format clock, and then you can activate home screen world clock and dual clock if you want to. So I will stay with dual clock only. And this is it. This is how you can smoothly, super quickly and easily change date and time in your phone. Whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just click here and now you're back in automatic settings. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.